Hi, welcome guys. We are making star today. First of all, take paper, then make it square shape. Proper way. Make sure everything be equal, all part. Cut the extra piece. This is the very simplest way to make star. Only 5 fold and 1 cut. You can make it star for Christmas. Christmas is coming soon. Now this is square shape. Make the triangle shape upper part, upper size, and hold it to the center with paper. Now first fold, press it properly. Second fold, again press it properly to make it crease. Third fold, same way, and this is the fourth fold. Now take the upper part and cut a single cut. Your star going to be ready. Open it. Perfect. Okay, this is star ready for you. Now everything is correct. Simplest way, and make the crease of all the 5 corners proper way. Press it properly. 1 2 3 4, and this is the final 5. Very simple way to cut star. And once again, one by one, take and make it crease proper way. 1 2 3 4, and the fifth one. Now your star 3D star is ready. Open it perfect way. Now your star is 3D star ready. Very simplest way. Most of all, you can see different type of cutting. They are very complicated for the kids. This one the very simplest and easy. Now take some Fevicol, spread it properly. Make sure Fevicol going to be a dry bit, not watery. Okay, now we are going to put some glitter on it. Spread the Fevicol proper way. Make sure you work on it patiently, not rush easily. I think this is the simplest way to make Christmas star. Okay, take some glitter, spring on it. Okay, now take the silver color. Color is your choice. Any color you would like to make it, you can make it. Mostly green, silver, red, blue. Blue going to be more better, but anyway, I use green and silver color. Like and subscribe my video. Next week I am going to show you more different type of Christmas decoration. Okay, this is our star is ready. If you like, you can edit more glitter, but just for your guidance I make it this way. Very simple way to cut star. Only 4 fold and 1 cut. Easiest for kids. Now your star is ready. Please like and subscribe my channel. I will give you more different type of ideas to cut Christmas decoration. Thank you for watching.